Welcome back to the Life Science Coach. Today we're covering Phylum Mollusca, a group so diverse it includes the smartest invertebrate on the planet and the snail sitting quietly in your garden right now. Mollusca is the second largest animal phylum on Earth, behind only the arthropods, with more than 85,000 described species living everywhere from deep ocean trenches to backyard flowerbeds. Despite that range, nearly all of them share the same basic body plan. Mollusks have no exoskeleton and no segments. Most have a soft body, a muscular foot used for movement, and a mantle, a layer of tissue that can secrete a hard shell for protection. Many also have a rasping feeding organ called a phyla, used to scrape food from surfaces. Let's start with the class that gave up the shell entirely, the cephalopods. Cephalopods, meaning headfoot, are built for speed and intelligence rather than armor. Octopuses have no external shell at all, trading protection for a soft, flexible body that can squeeze through almost any gap, no matter how narrow it looks from the outside. Coral reefs like this one are prime octopus territory, dense with hiding spots, prey, and endless camouflage opportunities that these animals exploit constantly, day and night, as they hunt and evade larger predators. Octopuses are widely considered the most intelligent invertebrates alive. They can solve puzzles, open jars, navigate mazes, and even recognize individual human faces, remarkable feats for an animal with no bones and a nervous system built nothing like our own. Each of an octopus's 8 arms contains its own cluster of neurons, letting it taste, touch, and react semi-independently of the central brain, almost like 8 small brains working alongside one larger one, all coordinating in real time. Octopuses move by jet propulsion, forcing water through a muscular funnel to rocket away from danger, and by simply crawling arm over arm across the seafloor when speed isn't the priority and stealth matters more. Their skin contains thousands of specialized cells called chromatophores, allowing near-instant changes in color and texture to match their surroundings or startle a would-be predator in a fraction of a second. Some species can even mimic the shape of other animals entirely. Squid are close cousins of the octopus, built for open water rather than the seafloor. Streamlined bodies and that same jet propulsion make them some of the fastest invertebrates found anywhere in the ocean, capable of covering long distances in short bursts. Now let's come back onto land, to the largest class of mollusks, Gastropoda. This class includes snails, slugs, and their sea-dwelling relatives, and it accounts for the vast majority of all mollusk species alive today. Snails carry a single spiral shell, built one growth ring at a time, and they're perfectly at home on rough, uneven ground like this. A snail's muscular foot secretes a layer of mucus that reduces friction, letting it glide over almost any surface smooth or sharp without ever injuring its soft, exposed body underneath. Even across bare soil, that same mucus trail does double duty, reducing drag against the ground while protecting delicate tissue from whatever lies beneath it, from small stones to sharp plant debris. Snails are patient, deliberate travelers. A distance would cross in seconds can take a snail the better part of an hour, but the strategy clearly works, since gastropods are found on nearly every continent on Earth, in habitats ranging from deserts to rainforests. Remarkably, that thin layer of slime lets snails cross surfaces as harsh as gravel or asphalt, cushioning their bodies from damage with every single inch of travel they make, regardless of the terrain underfoot. From the ocean floor to your garden path, mollusks prove that a soft body and a simple shell can conquer nearly every corner of our planet, adapting again and again into some of the most successful animal designs in evolutionary history. If this helped you understand the phylum a little better, make sure to subscribe to the Life Science Coach for more deep dives into the animal kingdom, and leave a comment if there's a group you'd like covered next. See you in the next lecture.